Good morning and welcome to Vlogcember Day 1. Alright, so I am attempting Vlogcember. I do it every year. This is like the 7th year that I've done it. And now I have a whole baby. A whole baby! Yeah! What are you doing? Do you see yourself? What are you doing? He's wearing little Christmas PJs from xoxo and a little hat, but I don't keep the hat on him inside, but I thought it would be cute for the little intro, right? Are we gonna have fun today? I also did a red lip, once in a blue moon. It will never happen again. Maybe occasionally on the 4th of July. I don't usually do a red lip. So I thought for this vlog, I would do one. Today I want to do a couple of things. We're having omelets for breakfast. Oakley doesn't really know how he feels about omelets yet, but we're having omelets for breakfast, and then later I want to make a chocolate lasagna. And I know, it sounds so good. A chocolate lasagna, and I kind of want to make, okay, a granola too. I saw on Pinterest, chunky monkey granola. You want to see yourself? Cutie. I think he has a cold because his nose is running. Hopefully not, but his nose is definitely runny today. So that is the plan for today. I will take you guys with me and hopefully I can vlog every day. I don't know, we'll see. But that is what we're doing. My socks literally never match, but I'm gonna make hot chocolate, even though it's like 10 in the morning. But I had coffee literally 5 hours ago. So I made this little mason jar. Well, I just like wrote on it, and I'm gonna post a picture on my Instagram of that. But I'm just gonna make hot chocolate with some marshmallows and be festive. But this gets really hot because when I was trying to take the photo, I literally burned my hand a million times. Chew, chew, chew. What is it? What's that? An egg chip? Ew. Let me see it. Here, honey. Ooh, nice and crispy. Oh, Teddy would enjoy an egg chip. That's gross. Eat it. Is it yummy? Yummy. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Chew, chew, chew. A little look of confusion. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, chocolate lasagna. We got the pudding. We got the Cool Whip. Can you please take a bite of that? Thank you. Cool Whip, pudding, Oreos, cream cheese. I don't know. I think it's gonna be yummy. Yeah, I don't think you can have any though. I'm so sorry, sweets. Apparently you can't have a lot of sugar until you're 2. Please chew that. Alright, just gonna top this off with some marshmallows. Alright, I'm going to make chocolate lasagna. Super simple, so it says. Got it off of Pinterest. It's a no-bake, so you don't have to put it in the oven. So I have Cool Whip, a package of Oreos. I have 2 instant pudding, chocolate pudding, milk, cream cheese, chocolate chips, which are optional, and then I have butter. So the first thing is, if you have a food processor, you want to put Oreos in the food processor and crumble it up. I don't, so I have a Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to crush all the Oreos in here, and then you mix it with cream cheese to create the bottom layer. So that's step 1. Have any frustrations in the world, just put some Oreos in a bag. Really smash it up. Die. I don't have a hammer, so, well, I don't have a hammer on me at the moment. So a weight will do. What's that noise, Oakley? Okay, I think I said you mix it with cream cheese, the Oreos. You mix it with butter, melted butter. and the Oreos. So this is gonna be the bottom layer. So the bottom layer should look like this, and I'm just gonna pop this in the fridge. All right, in this bowl we have the Cool Whip, a little bit of milk, sugar, and cream cheese. So I'm just folding it in. You guys ever watch Schitt's Creek? I'm folding it in, and I'm going to put this on top of that crusty layer. Next layer is the chocolate pudding, so I'm gonna put this on, and then I believe it's just one more layer of just regular Cool Whip, not mixed with cream cheese, and then I can top it off with some chocolate chips. So that's all I have to do. Pretty easy. Chocolate pudding's actually really yummy, I think. The last layer, I'm just gonna do a couple of chocolate chips to top it off, and then I'm gonna stick it in the fridge for like 20 minutes. Okay, so the chocolate lasagna is in the fridge. This lip color, it won't come off. And I ran out of makeup wipes, but I do have makeup oil. Anyways, I'm making Chunky Monkey granola now. So in a bowl, I just rinsed this. 1 banana, and you're gonna wanna mash it in the bowl. We don't have a masher. That's what we're missing. Like a potato masher. I'm gonna mash it with a spatula. No, that works terribly. I'm gonna mash it with a fork. So basically all you need for this is oats, peanut butter, maple syrup, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and a banana. So I'm gonna mash this first, and then on the stove top, over low heat, you wanna mix the peanut butter, olive oil, what else? Maple syrup, vanilla, cinnamon, all that. I don't think I have vanilla extract, but it'll be fine. Okay, this banana isn't that ripe, so it's a little bit harder to mash, but I'm just gonna mash this in a bowl and then work on the stovetop. Okay, I have my banana, and then this mixture I just did over the stovetop, but it was just peanut butter, olive oil, and cinnamon and maple syrup. And I did not have vanilla extract, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna mix this together and then add 2 cups of oats, I believe. Okay, I just put my 2 cups of oats in here, just mixing this all up. And then I'm pretty sure that's it. And then I just put it on the pan on parchment paper on a tray in the oven. I might top it with more cinnamon, but I'm pretty sure that's it. And then I don't know how long it goes in the oven for. Let's see. 15 minutes. And then you can top it with chocolate chips. It's almost time for Oakley's nap, but he's just planning his pack and play. He cannot have this because he's allergic to bananas, and I don't think he can have oats yet. It smells okay, kind of an odd shape, but this is what it looks like. Just like spread it into a thin layer. This is like an extra large tray, so it probably would have worked a little bit better with a smaller tray, but I'm just gonna put this in the oven for 15 minutes, and then you can sprinkle it with chocolate chips or cinnamon. I don't think I'm gonna put chocolate chips on it because there's already chocolate chips on the chocolate lasagna. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven. Is it for you or me? I think this is more of like a scoop. You have to scoop. Alright, we're gonna try this lasagna. We need like a spoon, I think. There's no point of the spatula. Oh. The bottom layer is supposed to be that crumbly.
Did you pack it?
Yeah, I packed it, babe. I'm sure it tastes good. I hope. It's just not that put together. Did you try it? Let me try. Are you trying it? Or me? Banging. Are you my first baby? You are. That's so sweet. My first baby. He'll always be my first baby. Oh, here comes your brother. Here comes your brother.
Here's the big boy.
Who's that baby? You're a snot nose.
You got a runny nose, honey.
You see Teddy? You just want my camera? Poor baby has a little cold. I almost put Teddy in the pig pen.
The pig pen.
Well, yeah.
Truth comes out.
Oh my goodness! How did you get a cold? How did you get a cold, honey? I'm never going anywhere again. Get it down. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Whoa! You did it! Okay, look at this. It's a mirror. Who's that baby in the mirror? Is that Oakley? Is that Oakley in the mirror? Don't eat it, okay? See? Who's that baby in the mirror? This side there's no mirror. This side, boo. Peek-a-boo. Look at this. This is a beach ball. Wow. A little pop down. You see? Wow, curls. She has curly hair. And this baby's screaming. Ah! Ah! And look it. Doggy. That's a doggy. Woof. Woof, woof. Woof. What do you think of that doggy? Where's Teddy? Let me get you a... I got chocolate all on my sweater, darling. I know you don't want me to do that. Beach ball. We should have more of these. You hang on to those. Don't go anywhere. Let me see if I can find some more. We should have more. Hey! Oh, be careful. Oh my goodness. My baby's never been sick before. No, actually, no thank you. I'd like you not to play with that. Play with this. Bum 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 bum. Oh man. No thank you. Okay, so this is what the granola looks like. It's not as crunchy or hard as I wanted it to be. But hopefully if I put it in the fridge or freezer, it'll harden up. I feel so bad for Oakley because this is just his first time being sick. And I gave him Motrin, but I don't know what else to do because he's a baby and I don't think you can do or give too much to a baby with a cold. So I'm just gonna keep him hydrated and hope that he gets better fast. And I don't know how he got sick. I'm assuming because Thanksgiving we were around a lot more people than we usually are. And I guess that's what happens when you go out into the world. Because literally we don't go out. So it kind of stinks. I just hope he feels better soon. But yeah, Scott is picking up a pizza for us to eat. And I don't know, we'll probably watch a movie or something tonight. I would love to watch a Christmas movie. Actually, let me show you guys the sky because the sky looks really pretty. And a bird flew into the window before and I can see its feathers. Anyways, look at the sky. Let's see if it focuses. Okay, it doesn't even do it justice, but it looks so pretty. I also want to watch, it's okay, honey bun. I also want to watch Selling Sunset because the new season came out, Selling Sunset on Netflix. And I was obsessed with that. So I'm so happy that it came back out. You want me to pick you up? Okay. Oh. You gonna wave? You waving? Say hi. Wave. Good job. Hi. Say my nose is so runny, mommy. Do you see the sky out there? How pretty is that sky? With the clouds? Okay, so yeah, that's the plan. Hopefully he feels better because I think we're gonna try and take some Christmas photos tomorrow, or just like wintry photos of the family, because we don't have like a updated family photo. You wanna crawl? Okay. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. But I think I'm gonna end first Vlogcember right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all tomorrow.